Hello friend, I have employee related data in which the performance is written in the column F. My task is to highlight the complete row based on the rank. If the rank is 5, it should highlight the complete row automatically. If I change this over here, you can see it is 8 right now and the green color is automatically removed from the complete row. If I put 5 over here, it will come automatically. If I add any row over here and the performance is 5, it will automatically get highlighted. We will achieve this using the conditional formatting and our formula. So friends, let us begin with this trick. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe it, like the video and do your comment. Share this video on your social media as well. So let us begin with our example. It's easy to give the conditional formatting of the cell in which we have data. We will select the column, come to the home tab, conditional formatting, and then new rule, and we can select second option. Here we can give cell value equal to 5 and we can give the formatting and we will fill it with the green color, light green color. OK, and then OK. It's very easy, but we need to highlight the complete row. So let me show you how you will achieve. First of all, clear the rules already defined in the sheet and you can select clear rules from the entire sheet. Now we will select the complete data, come to the home tab, conditional formatting, new rule, select the last option, enter the reference of the cell in which your data will be compared, equal F1 in this case, and it must be 5, so equals to 5. And then we will format the cell. We will fill this with the light green color, then OK. One more thing we need to give, we need to assign the $sign in front of the F1. Then only it will highlight the complete row based on the value in the column F. Now press OK and you got it. Now if you change the value of any cell in the column F, like 4, it will remove the filled green color from the entire row. If I enter over here, then it will accept. If I copy any new row anywhere, like here, it will highlight wherever the cell value is 5 in the column F. Here we will take one more example. We have order date and shipping date. Our company needs to ship within 3 days the order we received. Here I have order date and shipping date. So my task is to highlight the shipping date which was shipped more than 3 days. So let us begin. But this time we are gonna highlight the shipping dates only, not the complete row. So I will select this shipping date and then I'll come to home. I'll come to select the conditional formatting and then we will assign a new rule and move it a little bit on the right side. Select the last one, use a formula to decide which cell to format, and here my task is to equal, and this time T1 should be greater than S1 and I will add 3 days in it. And now I will assign the formatting. I want to highlight with yellow color only, then OK and then OK. So now we can see, we can check any date, like we received the order on 9th March 2019 and it was shipped on 13, so it is more than 3 days. This order could not be shipped within the 3 days. So by that way you can use this trick for highlighting the row or a particular cell based on the value of the cell. Hopefully guys you like it. Thank you for watching video. Please come back again. You can see on the top corners our playlist of Excel. Go to these playlist and watch these videos. Hopefully you like it. Thank you once again guys.